welcome to my channel. I've been trying to figure out really good video ideas, and then I film them and then I didn't like it. So my video idea for today is we're gonna disinfect my fridge. We are going to clean it out. So this is the before. I need to clean this bad boy out. I already started in here, so it's looking a lot better. And you're just gonna follow along, and I'll show you the before and after as I'm doing it. So firstly, I am doing this. So here's the before. And then I will show you this. This is what it now looks like. It's all cleaned. This is way better. Even underneath there is way better so far. Some of the stuff is not gonna, I can't get up, but that even looks way better. So far, so good. The aftermath. Video. We'll post it, and we'll do another one tomorrow.